10 Essential Skills for Building Wealth and Get Rich. Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today, we're diving into 10 essential skills for building wealth. These skills are crucial for anyone looking to improve their financial situation and achieve long-term success. Let's get started. 1. Spending wisely. This is something you may or may not know. Rich people get rich by making money, but they stay rich by spending money wisely. It's not just about how much you earn, but how you manage and invest your money. Wise investing helps your money grow over time, with options like stocks, bonds, real estate, and cryptocurrencies. Research and evaluate your risk tolerance before making investment decisions. One of the key benefits of investing is that it will enable your money to work for you, even while you're not actively doing anything. Investing wisely can build wealth over time and achieve your long-term financial goals. 2. Building multiple streams of income. Diversifying your income sources mitigates the risk of relying on a single source. In today's ever-changing world, having multiple income streams is more important than ever. Global crises and economic changes can affect your primary source of income and leave you in a difficult situation. There are many ways to build multiple income streams, depending on your interests, skills, and experience. Build multiple income streams through side businesses, online courses, real estate, passive income, or freelancing. Start small, test the waters, and grow as you gain confidence and knowledge. 3. Saving and budgeting. Saving and budgeting are fundamental for financial security. Track your spending, create a budget, and prioritize essential expenses. Make a list of your fixed expenses, such as rent, mortgage, and utilities, and your variable expenses, such as food, entertainment, and shopping. Then compare your income to your costs and look for areas where you can cut back. Once you clearly understand where your money is going, you can make changes that will allow you to save more. Automate your savings and live below your means to avoid lifestyle inflation. These habits help you save more and achieve long-term financial goals. 4. Networking and building relationships. Networking opens doors to new opportunities, advice, and partnerships. Build genuine connections by attending events, joining groups, and participating in online communities. Maintain and nurture relationships by staying in touch and offering support. 5. Entrepreneurship and starting a business. Entrepreneurship allows you to create opportunities and control your financial future. Start with a solid idea, conduct market research, and develop a business plan. Secure funding, deliver a high-quality product or service, and adapt to changing market conditions. 6. Sales and marketing. Sales and marketing are essential for business success. Effective salesmanship involves connecting with customers, understanding their needs, and closing deals. Marketing requires creativity, consumer behavior understanding, and leveraging digital tools to reach your target audience. 7. Leadership and time management. Strong leadership and time management skills help you inspire others and achieve your goals efficiently. Prioritize tasks, set boundaries, and avoid procrastination. Effective leadership involves self-awareness, empathy, and continuous learning. 8. Negotiation and persuasion. Negotiation and persuasion are crucial for achieving your goals. Prepare thoroughly, understand the other party's needs, and look for win-win solutions. Persuasion requires understanding your audience's motivations and tailoring your message accordingly. 9. Financial literacy and planning. Financial literacy and planning are essential for informed financial decisions. Educate yourself on budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Set clear financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan to stay on track. 10. Continuous learning and self-improvement. Continuous learning and self-improvement are vital for long-term success. Set specific learning goals. Stay current on industry trends and develop new skills. Personal development activities like exercise, meditation, and seeking feedback help build confidence and resilience. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.